What happens when pure Japanese precision meets Miami swagger? You get this, a blacked-out Lexus LC 500 that looks like it rolled straight out of a billionaire's midnight dream. This isn't just any Lexus. This is a visual thunderstorm of carbon fiber, titanium, and attitude. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most drop-dead gorgeous grand tours ever to hit American asphalt. Buckle up, because this LC 500 just went from luxury cruiser to dark night on wheels. Let's rewind for a second. The Lexus LC began life as a fantasy, the LFLC concept from 2012 that stunned Detroit. By 2017, that fantasy became real, sculpted on Lexus's TNGAL platform, sleek, futuristic, and dripping with class. Fast forward to 2026, and while most cars from that era fade into history, the LC still turns heads like it's brand new. It's that rare machine that ages like fine wine, standing tall even as Lexus prepares to sunset production. But just before its final bow, it's reminding everyone why it changed the Grand Tour game forever. For 2026, Lexus brought out the big guns, the Inspiration Series. Only 200 coupes and 350 convertibles exist, each one a rolling masterpiece. We're talking smoke matte gray paint, wind white tones, and that timeless saddle tan. And under the hood, the one and only LC 500 remains, a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 pumping out that old-school, goosebump-inducing soundtrack. Starting north of $100,000, it's not just a car, it's a statement that says, I didn't follow trends, I created them. But here's where things get wild. Down in Miami, the wheel wizards at Vossen decided the LC 500 wasn't beautiful enough, so they gave it a new identity, a lowered stance, carbon fiber aggression, and those iconic Vossen wheels. The first setup, Vossen HFX-2 alloys finished in menacing satin black. The result looked like something Batman would daily drive, stealthy, muscular, and utterly intimidating. But then they flipped the script, swapping in Brushed Gloss Clear VPS-2 forged wheels, and somehow the LC looked even better. Same car, totally different personality. It's the kind of visual magic only Vossen can pull off. And it's not just wheels we're talking about. This LC 500 sits low and mean thanks to RSR USA suspension setup, dialing in that perfect stance without sacrificing comfort. Then there's the ARMYTRIX titanium exhaust system, a weaponized symphony that screams through the streets like an exotic banshee. And topping it all off, a Tom's Racing dry carbon aero kit from Japan. Subtle, sleek, and undeniably expensive looking. Every line, every detail, every glint of carbon screams performance art. This isn't modification, it's mechanical fashion. So here it is, a car that's part samurai, part supermodel, and all attitude. The Lexus LC 500 might be nearing the end of its run, but this build proves one thing: true design never dies. From its V8 heart to its Vossen shoes, this car is proof that style and soul can coexist in perfect harmony. It's Japanese elegance, reborn through American imagination. Now the only question is, if you had one chance to own this black beauty, would you keep it stock or go full Vossen like this?